everyone, it's Brother Ray here. Wanted to chat with you a little bit about what's been going on with me as we approach the new riding season. Going to show you a few pictures here. I'm going to have my brother put this stuff together because I'm not the editing type. But I've just come off of knee surgery right over 6 weeks ago. A little background on the knee surgery. I had a knee replacement actually. I had a motorcycle wreck on my Breva about 10 years ago, give or take. Had what we call a tibia plateau fracture, which is a pretty bad injury on my right knee, and had some issues with my right wrist as well. Long and short of it is, it was my fault, not paying attention the way I should have, riding on a very straight road, clear roads, clear day. Went down in a dip coming out of Dahlonega, heading towards Chattanooga, in a dip in the road. Came up on the rise of the road, and then there were cars backed up all the way to the rise, in which case I locked my brakes up. I did not have anti-lock brakes, started to skid, and the rest is history. Spent 4 days in the hospital, 3 months with non-weight-bearing weight, and they put screws and pins and all that other sort of thing in my knee, and 10 years later, it was time for me to get my knee replaced. Obviously, had I been smarter in the ride, I would have slowed down going into the dip where I could not see ahead of me, and had I been going a slower speed, I might have been able to stop prior to taking my bike down. I did a high side. So here I am now, finished up with my surgery, pretty well healing up as far as my knee goes, and just trying to get ready to go back into the season. Doesn't look like I'm going to be ready to roll probably for another, at least for long trips, probably at least for another 3-4 weeks. I'm going to take it easy, going to take it slow, going to make some day trips just to see how I do. But I will be back on the road soon, and we will be back together with the brothers doing brothers bikes and bourbon trips. Looking forward to it. My game plan for all you Guzzi folks out there, my game plan is to go to Guzzi's in the Blue Ridge at Blue Ridge Motorcycle Campground. And if you've never been to Blue Ridge Motorcycle Campground, if you're in the North Carolina area near Asheville, you need to check that out. I'm also going to do some day trips. I'm only about an hour and a half away from Two Wheels of Suchess. If you've never been to Two Wheels of Suchess in northern Georgia, you absolutely need to go there as well. 2 great motorcycle-only campgrounds that are wonderful. You get to meet folks. Lots of people are very friendly. You'll have a blast if you go to either one of those. And then absolutely, I'm going to go to the Ohio Rally over the Labor Day weekend. If you've never been to the Ohio Rally, even if you're not a Guzzi rider, you need to consider going to the Ohio Rally. It is one of the best rallies that I've ever been to, mostly for just the people. The people there are just wonderful. We have a great time, all talking about motorcycles and drinking beer and eating hot peppers from the Blakes, thank you, and having a great time. So those are my 2 game plans for now. I've got more things to share with you later about stuff coming up with me, and we'll talk about that at the appropriate time. But listen, take a look at the stuff that you see here in the video. You can see some of my journey to where I am right now, and I'm looking forward to seeing you out there on the road. Main thing is get out on the road, and that's what I'm going to be doing as soon as I can. At any rate, talk with you later.